Just be careful those hinges underneath.
Yeah, but that wasn't the problem up there. See, this one, I can feel it's different. And it looks like you have to adjust these. Shouldn't this... Oh, there you go.
What'd you do?
There's like a little... I'll show you the next one. This thing. So, like here you can't do it unless you push this up. You have to kind of push that up and then...
It springs out.
Yeah, extend that in there. And then click it down. It has to be clicked down into that. Let's
Do
that.
the back or the top first?
Do this one, which I think is still going to be trouble.
Maybe it's because it's not on a flat surface?
No, it's wider than it needs to be. I think once we get it a few times, we'll go. There it goes. Okay, come over here. To here. So this, pop that back. Hook that on there. And that snapped in then. Did you see it?
Yeah, let me try this one.
Yep.
So.
Yep, unhook that. You kind of got to, yep.
Oh.
Then let it go back, make sure it hooks here. Yep, push it. And then push it, nope, push it down.